ये एसडीएम साहब 9 महीने कुंडली मार के बैठे रहे, ऐसे आपका डीएम का कहना है। जे कलेक्टर साहब, कमिश्नर के खिलाफ अनर्गल आरोप लगाने के लिए आपके खिलाफ क्या रिकमेंडेशन किया जाए?
सर, conditional apology, sir. I did not have any intention of making such a statement, sir.
आपने कोई जवाब दिया है कि why you had made false allegations against your own commissioner? Sir, please answer quickly, sir. I am not going to waste my time. You have filed a false affidavit. Everything is in writing. This is not your first posting. This is not your first posting, right? जी सर।
सर इन्होंने गलती को भी स्वीकार किया है, माफी भी मांगी है।
माफी मांग ली है?
सर गलती को स्वीकार किया, पहले ही कह रहा
अच्छी
हूँ।
बात है सर। तो माफ किया जाए?
गलती को स्वीकार भी किया है सर।
नहीं नहीं, माफ किया जाए। ये जो 9 महीने ये कागजों पे लेके बैठे रहे, शासन को चूना लगाते रहे, क्योंकि आपका कहना है आप पिटीशन में आए, हम लोग नहीं आए।
जी सर, हम आए।
आप लोगों की जमीन पे ये कुंडली मार के बैठे रहे, ऐसा आपका कहना है, हमारा नहीं कहना।
वो किया था राजनारायण का,
हमारा नहीं कहना है। ये एसडीएम साहब 9 महीने कुंडली मार के बैठे रहे, ऐसे आपका डीएम का कहना है। सरकारी जमीन, आपका कहना है सरकारी जमीन के ऊपर कागजों के शेर दौड़ते रहे और हर टेबल पे जाके हाँफ जाते थे, तो वो 8-8, 10-10 महीने आराम करते थे। हाँ जी, बताइए सर। बस, ज्यादा कुछ नहीं।
ऐसा कोई इंटेंशन?
इनके खिलाफ डीई का ऑर्डर कर देते हैं। जे कलेक्टर साहब, ये कमिश्नर के खिलाफ अनर्गल आरोप लगाने के लिए आपके खिलाफ क्या रिकमेंडेशन किया जाए?
Sir, conditional apology, sir. I did not have any intention of making such a statement, sir.
आपने कोई जवाब दिया है कि why you had made false allegations against your own commissioner, or the stand taken by your commissioner on the last day is false? What is your stand? Commissioner's office is being scandalized by you. Commissioner's office is being scandalized by you.
My apologies, sir.
Have you filed your explanation?
No sir.
Why you have not filed your explanation? Why you have not filed your explanation?
Sir, instruction was to remain present in VC, sir. I'll file it, sir.
Sir, through video conferencing to explain as to why he made serious allegations against commissioner. Jay sir, what is your stand? Don't tender your apology, sir. Don't tender your apology. We have not asked for your personal appearance for hearing an apology for a thing for which we are not aggrieved. Your commissioner should be aggrieved by the conduct of his collector, who is scandalizing the office of commissioner. Now, what is your stand, sir? Sir, please answer quickly, sir. I am not going to waste my time.
Sir, again, sir, I'll submit, sir, that there's no intention of making any such allegations,
Forget
sir.
about the time. I have not issued any contempt notice to you. Why you are saying that whether you had any intention or not? I have not issued any contempt notice to you for making a false statement before this court. You have filed a false affidavit. Everything is in writing. If your CS is of the view that subordinate officers can scandalize the office of the higher officers, let the CS decide. If your commissioner is happy that his subordinates may scandalize and defame his office, let your commissioner feel happy for that. Why should I have any grievance? So first of all, I will take, now, since you have given a false affidavit to the court, therefore, before issuing any notice for contempt, let me decide whether your CS and your commissioner are happy with your conduct or not. So first of all, I'm going to request your CS as well as your commissioner. If they are happy, then sir, yes, no, then we don't have any difficulty. If they are not happy, then we will issue a contempt notice to you also, sir. So let me take an explanation or a response from your CS and the commissioner. Right, sir?
Sir, my humble submission, sir, I have joined recently, sir, and
it hardly matters, Mr. Collector. It hardly matters, Mr. Collector. This is not your first posting. This is not your first posting, right? I am least concerned. I am not issuing any contempt notice at this stage. I will decide that aspect only after the response from your senior officers are received, right, sir? He had filed his affidavit pointing out that The matter was forwarded to Commissioner Chambal Division on 11/4/25 and it is pending in the said office. However, on 11/11/25, Shri Jangir Collector Morena, who was holding the additional charge of Commissioner Chambal Division Morena, had made a specific submission that after 11/4/2024, the matter was sent back twice to Collector Bhind to submit all the documents with the proposed charges. That fact was deliberately suppressed by Shina in his affidavit dated
Sir,
10/11/25. Therefore, the
Sir.
affidavit which was filed by 10/11/25, wide document number 7224/25 is false even to his knowledge. Before deciding as to whether this court should issue a contempt notice for filing false affidavit, this court would like to seek response from the Chief Secretary of State of Madhya Pradesh as well as Commissioner Chambal Division Morena to the effect as to whether they are happy with their subordinate officers who have no hesitation in scandalizing the office of their seniors. It is made clear that in case if the Commissioner Chambal Division Morena and CS Chief Secretary State of MP and Commissioner Chambal Division Morena expresses their happiness over the conduct of court may not go for drawing proceedings and for contempt of court. Shri SS Kushwaha is directed to communicate this order. No, police. So far as the explanation given by Shri Navneet SDM, Mehergaon District Bhind is concerned, the same is not satisfactory. Police system. Accordingly, the Commissioner Chambal Division Morena is directed to decide as to whether any disciplinary action is required against Shri Navneet SDM Mehergaon District Bhind or not. Let a response be filed in that regard by the Commissioner of Chambal Division Morena by next date of hearing. It is further submitted by Shri Kushwaha that Shri Rajnaran Khare Deed and Tehsildar has been placed under suspension by order dated 16th November 2025 passed by GAT department and the department and the charge sheet pertaining to departmental inquiry has been issued. It is submitted by Shri Kushwaha that the departmental inquiry shall be concluded within a period of 2 months. Full stop. बस फिर आगे
Okay.